In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Chrome notifications. If pop-ups and alerts keep pulling your attention away while you work or browse, this walkthrough will help you quiet things down without breaking anything important. We'll start with Chrome's built-in controls on your computer, then I'll show you a quick shortcut to get there faster, and finally a Windows option to silence Chrome at the system level. Begin by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu to open Chrome's main controls. Choose Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. Scroll to find Notifications and open it. This page is where Chrome manages which sites can interrupt you and whether new sites are even allowed to ask for permission. You have two clear choices here. For a clean slate that stops all notification prompts and alerts from websites, select Don't allow sites to send notifications. This setting means you won't see those permission pop-ups asking to show notifications, and any existing site alerts will be blocked moving forward. It's the simplest way to eliminate distractions if you don't rely on any site notifications. If you prefer to keep helpful alerts from a few trusted sites and silence only the noisy ones, use the Not Allowed to Send Notifications section to block specific websites. This targeted approach is great if, for example, you still want timely updates from a webmail or calendar site, but you're done seeing pop-ups from other pages. As you curate this list, remember you can always come back and adjust it later if your needs change. There's also a quick way to jump straight to the same notifications page. In Chrome's address bar, type or paste Chrome/settings/content/notifications and press enter. This opens the exact panel instantly, which is handy if you want to revisit your choices without clicking through multiple menus. If you're on Windows and want a broader switch that stops Chrome notifications at the operating system level, open Windows Settings, go to System, then Notifications. Find Google Chrome in the list and turn its notifications off. This prevents Chrome's alerts from appearing as Windows toasts or in the Notification Center. Chrome will still run normally, and you can keep using websites as usual, but Windows won't surface those pop-ups. That's it. Choose the approach that matches how you browse, block everything for maximum focus or fine-tune individual sites for balance, and enjoy a quieter Chrome experience.